Okay, how you doing? And you feeling good with G, or this G? Either one, whichever one you prefer, actually. We can work with either one. We've got this G, we've got this G, and then we've got this D7. So we got happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. All right, so we're doing pretty well. We're like maybe, halfway through the song or something with just those two chords. Now, what we're eventually going to do is put in another chord here, but we're not doing it yet. So it'll be happy birthday, da 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 da, whoever you are. This is the chord we want to go to next, which is the C chord. This is another chord that you're going to use for the rest of your life in many, many situations. So the C chord is, we're going to have all three frets, all these three frets are going to get used here. We're going to use these same three fingers, and we're going to have one finger in each fret. And since the hand kind of goes this way, it'd be a little hard. We do have chords that go this way, but it's easier to just sort of do it this way. This is the way the hand naturally falls, which is very nice of the C chord to accommodate our natural hand position. We're going to have our ring finger on the 3rd fret, string number 5, so that's the second one down. Then we're going to go down a fret and down a string. So we've got this one, and then just on a diagonal coming down, we've got the next one. Okay, so ring finger on the 3rd fret, 5th string, middle finger on the 2nd fret, 4th string. Okay? So do those with me just individually. Let's make sure that you're on the same, you're in the right place, and it sounds the same. Oops. And now we're going to go to the 1st fret, and this is the 2nd string, so we're actually skipping one string. Okay? That's a C chord. C is a wonderful chord, just like all the other chords. Okay, so now what we want to be able to do is, as always, change chords smoothly, comfortably, musically. So let's say we're playing the G chord this way. All right. I got my ring finger here, my middle finger up here, and my 2nd finger on the 5th string in the 2nd fret. Happy birthday to you. Okay, to the D7. Happy birthday to, back to the G. Happy birthday to C. It's C's birthday. So you want to be able to go from the happy birthday to C. Now, you'll notice that if you play your G chord this way, it's a little bit easier to go from there to the C. But if you play your G chord this way, it's a little easier to go from there to the D7. So you can choose whichever feels more comfortable to you. And once you do, I recommend you forget about the other one right now while you're a beginner. Don't, clutter up your mind with too many positions for one chord. Just find the one that feels more pleasing to you, the one that's going to help you just start playing more quickly. So not only are there different fingerings, but there are really kind of different ways that different chords you can play for even the simplest of songs. So for example, very simply, we could play Happy Birthday with these 3 chords like this. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear somebody, happy birthday to you. Now another thing we could do to make it a little bit more interesting is put in a G7 chord. And what a G7 chord is, okay, let's use this finger. It's just like this one. But instead of having this finger here, we're going to have this finger here. Everything else stays the same. So it comes out like this. Happy birthday, G to D7. Happy birthday to G. Happy birthday. Happy. So we go to the G7 there. Birthday. Could even put in a C7. Happy birthday. Or we could even go happy birthday to you. There's all these seventh chords. Make things a little bit more tasty, a little bit more interesting. But you don't need to put them in right at the beginning. So let's just do this the most simple way right now. I'm going to go from G to D7. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to whoever you are. And now some people will go to the G here. Happy birthday to you. So one of the things about being a folk musician is that you get to choose what sounds best to you. I'll meet you on the next recording.